Pictures only begun. Ooh, gotcha under their thumb. Hit it! Dum, ba-da bum, ba-da bum, ba-da bum, bum. Na 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 na. BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, huh, sweetie?
That's right, baby doll.
My name is Natasha. This over here, Hoa. This is NANABOOZHOO. Hoka hey, ikadon BOOZHOO, ni weenie mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, everybody.
And today, baby, what do you think, sweetie? What should be the Ojibwe word of the day?
Oh, good question.
I know, you think we'd have talked about it before now. How about today's Ojibwe word can be, I don't know, maybe. Here's an Ojibwe phrase.
What's that?
Gisakain.
Oh, brother.
Gisakain.
I love you too.
I love you. Gisakain. I love you, Niwi Mushain. I love you, my sweetheart.
Me too, baby doll. Me too.
Okay, let's get serious.
All right.
Let's get serious. La da 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 da. Ooh, wah, na, na. BOOZHOO. Kakina. Oh, yeah. Hello, everybody.
All right, one more time. This is Black Diamond.
Oh, okay. Out on the street for a living,
Pictures only begun.
ooh,
Got you under their thumb.
hit it!
Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum,
La 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 la. Na 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 na.
ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum.
Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Her day is sown in madness, got you under their thumb. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond. Black diamond, ooh, black diamond, out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Ooh, black diamond, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Let's see. Let me just scan for your coordinates.
All right.
No.
You can scan from. I'm right here.
And that'll be just one to teleport, right?
Yep, just me.
Okay. You all set?
Yep.
And that's one to teleport.
Make it so. BOOZHOO, b'nai shiag. Hello, birds. What's the good news? Nah. What's good in the neighborhood?
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. This is like the birds neighborhood. This is all part of the Benashiyug, territory. Benashiyug, the birds. Some Indians refer to the birds as having their own nation. They'll call them the bird nation. The feathered nation of birds. Benashiyug. But it's a good day for a race. The human race. No. That's not racist. Yeah, maybe it is racist. It is kind of in your face. I'm sorry. Speciest. It's speciest, actually. That was a speciest remark. I don't mean to be insensitive to your, how you identify as birds. All right. Let me get some tobacco. Asema. Tobacco. BOOZHOO, get your manado. Hello, Great Spirit. Please accept my tobacco. Daga odapana niwi asema. Get your manado. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji kakina gegu. Kaiji chikean nunkom. And thank you for healing my sadness. Miigwech ka gage niwi osida wendam. Ape inge. Amen. If you've ever gone through a hard time, if you've ever been depressed or heartbroken or dumped, rejected, if you ever really feel bad and then you find that you no longer feel bad, that's because you've recovered. But I always think that's because the Creator kind of carried you through something. Even Christians agree that Gitchimanadu is strongest when we're weak. Sometimes you may have nothing more. You may find yourself totally without any love, without any friends, without any money, without any hope, with nothing but your tears and your bad memories and your fearful future and the stuff, Every once in a while we all go down. Everybody's got to go down. Everybody's got to go sometime. That's a whole other issue. But when I've found myself on the other side of a hard time, I always try to remember to put out my tobacco and thank the Creator for getting me through it. Because I don't think I did it on my own. So, miigwech. Anyway. Maybe I'll just leave it at that. Maybe that's enough. What? No, I just wanted to say a little prayer. Yeah, I know I'm not Natasha. You guys are mean. We're birds. Alright, I better go home. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Oh, hey, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? Yeah, no problem. Hang on. Let's see. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Hey, baby doll. Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
Did you put out your tobacco?
Yeah, I sure did. Said a little prayer. Put out my tobacco to the Creator.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, everybody. I'm just going to close out then.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, everybody. Unless you want to add anything.
Do you want to tell them about signing up or clicking the links to it? Oh, yeah.
Oh,
the
sure.
links in the description.
If you'd like to support the show, just click the links in the description box below. We have a Patreon page. If you sign up for $25 a month, you can become a Patreon Mug Club member. A BOOZHOO Crew Patreon Mug Club member. $25 a month. It'd really help us out, huh, Michael?
Yeah, that's saying it.
Otherwise, just want to say,
Miigwech gabizindawieg.
Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech
Ganawabieg.
And thank you for watching
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
That's right, baby doll.
My name is Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
Over here is the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons.
Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minowa. Hoa.
Oh.
All right, boys. That was pretty good.
Yeah. We got matching cups.
Oh, that's some really good coffee there, sweetie.
Yeah, I'll say. Makere mush
All right.
kikiwabu.
So, what's
Black
next?
Medicine water. Oh, I don't know.
You know, I love this background.
Yeah.
I love our kitchen. But I almost feel like we need a different color.
Oh, really? Like what?
Like, should we paint the walls purple or something? I'm serious.
I think it's a terrible idea. Yeah. I don't think we should paint them purple. I mean, what are we?
Oh, so what else is
Prince?
going on, fellas? Have you been keeping up with the news?
No.
What about you, sweetie?
No, not at all.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's weird. You'd think that with the age of the internet, we would know more about what's going on, but it's almost like YouTube's just
Don't even say that.
All right, this is enough. See you later. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to Ojibwe words and phrases. Number what? What's the number today, sweetie?
I think we're up to number 4.
Number 4. On today's Ojibwe words and phrases. What did we talk about yesterday?
Yesterday was just questions.
Right, questions. So today, we're going to talk about weather words. These are just some handy Ojibwe words for the weather. So it's actually a single word sometimes can be a whole phrase. Like, dakasin, dakasin, a cool wind. Time for a cool wind. Dakasin, means cool wind. It is a cool wind. Duckassen. And don't forget now, A's sound like and two A's sound like ah. Ah. Like in son. Ah like in father. Duckassen. A cool wind. Then we have a nice day. Oh, it's such a nice day, sweetie.
Yep.
Minnow geeja good. Minnow geeja good. Minnow geeja good. It is a nice day. Oh, minnow geeja good, sweetie.
It is a nice day.
Now, if you want to say it's clear out, there's no clouds in the sky, like a bright blue, clear blue 9/11 kind of day.
What?
Remember that when 9/11 happened? It was a beautiful day. It was a clear sky. It was a Mijaquad. Mijaquad.
That's just such a strange reference.
I know. It's also a 22-year-old reference. But that day's coming. We're coming up on the anniversary, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Mijaquad. Mijaquad. Clear. Today it's clear to partly cloudy skies. No. To say it's cloudy, you would say Ningwanaquad. Ninwanaquad. It is cloudy. It's clear to partly cloudy sky. It is Mijaquad to Ningwanaquad. Ninwanaquad. Clear to partly cloudy skies. Sunny to partly cloudy. Partly sunny. Don't you hate that when they say it's partly sunny?
Yeah.
I mean, it's always the same amount of sun. It's just sometimes there's clouds in front of it.
Yeah, it's true.
Anyway. Brr! Oh, it's cold in here. Gissana, sweetie.
You're as cold as ice.
You're willing to sacrifice our love. No. Gissana, it is cold. Now, if it's foggy, you say a one. A one. It is foggy. Hot. Gejate. Gejate. Now remember, E's sound like A, like in the word Ojibwe, huh, sweetie?
That's right, baby. You tell them.
I'll tell them. E's are A's in Ojibwe. So we say Gejate. Gejate. Oh, that's hot. You know what else is hot?
Get out of here.
I think you're hot.
Shut up.
Gejate. Now, Gushkadin. Gushkadin. It freezes over. November we call Gushkadino. No, is it November? Is it actually February?
I think it's March. Gushkadino Gizis.
Gushkadino. One of the cold months we call Gushkadino Gizis. Because it's the freezing over month. No, it must be earlier than that. It's got to be November.
Oh, because of the lakes?
Yeah, because it's talking about when the lakes freeze over. Gushkadin is a freezing over of a lake. The time of year when the lake freezes over, we call Gushkadino Gizis. Gushkadino Gizis. It freezes over moon. Gushkadino. Or Gushkadin. If it's really nasty weather out there, what did you call nasty weather, sweetie?
Oh, I don't know. Like super cold, rainy, freezing roads and that.
Yeah, freezing road. Maybe hail.
Mm-hmm.
We would call that Niskadud. Niskadud. Nasty weather. Niskadud. To say it's raining, give me one. Give me one. It's raining again. What was I talking about? Oh, it's raining. Give me one. Give me one. It is raining. Slippery. Ojasha. Ojasha. It is slippery. That's when the roads are all icy, huh, sweetie?
Yep.
It can get very Ojasha. When it's snowing, we call it Zugipon. Zugipon. Zugipon, sweetie.
I love that word.
Yeah, I know. It is snowing. Zugipon. To say there are northern lights. This would also be what you call the casino in Walker, in Onigum or wherever that place is. We call it Wawate. Wawate. Northern lights. Wawate. Then, if there's a tornado, Ashibishadosh. Ashibishadosh. Oh, look out! RDM! Here comes a Ashibishadosh. Comes a tornado. When you say it's thundering, oh, look out, it's thunder. Gotta thunder and rock and roll. Do 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 do. We say Anamikika. Anamikika. It is thundering. Anamikika. Do 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 do. When it's warm and mild. Abawa. Abawa. It's warm and mild. Abawa. And finally, if it's windy, everyone knows it's New Din. Everyone knows it's New Din. When it's windy, we call it New Din. And these have been just a few Ojibwe weather words, all available in one handy book called Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. No. What?
Nothing. You're doing a good job.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
Hey, everybody. How you doing?
And over here, Nanaboozhoo, Niwi Shane, my sweetheart.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
And, yeah, Miigwech Bizadawieg. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin. Minawa. Hawa. La do 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 do. Oh, you look just handsome here, Nanaboozhoo.
Get out of here. Oh, wow. You look really cute this morning.
Oh, get out of here. This whole
No, I
thing.
mean it, man. You're a sight for sore eyes.
Nah.
Hey, everybody. What's going on? How you doing this morning?
Boozhoo.
Anin. Eji Ayan. How are you? It's time to start the music.
It's time to light the light.
Clip 3. If you would like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you know, with a little Junia, with a little financial love, click the links in the description box. We have a Patreon page. On Patreon, for $25 a month, we'll send you a coffee cup. Not a nasty old coffee cup like this one. But a coffee cup. You can become a member of the BOOZHOO Crew Mug Club.
BOOZHOO, Mino Gigajave. Hello, good morning, and welcome to
Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and this right here is Natasha.
Boozhoo.
And we're just going to start the show with a song Do you think you can sing a...
Oh yeah, Cyndi Lauper. How does this go? You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage, and this world makes you crazy, and you've taken all you can bear. Call me up, because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors. That's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. True colors, true, like a rainbow, like a rainbow. Oh.
Show me a smile then.
Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when
I last saw you laugh.
What, I'm laughing all the
This
time.
makes you crazy, and you've taken all
You
you
can
can
bear.
bear. You call me up, because you
No, I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through.
I've seen your
True colors, that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. Your true colors, beautiful.
like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow. Ah, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the star of
NANABOOZHOO.
the show, NANABOOZHOO. Take it away.
Take it away, baby.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO,
And I am Natasha.
and we'd like to invite you to join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today, I'd say we
Candid
all
behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons,
know you won't break
and
down,
new
won't
music
despair,
videos,
be around,
dead celebrity
you'll
interviews
never
from
forget
heaven,
one day.
what have you,
When I'm old
and of course,
gray, I might
cat
look
videos
back and say,
of Bagheera.
these were the golden days. One
Click
day
the link
when
below.
I'm old and I'm gray,
Join
I
the
might look
BOOZHOO
back and
Crew
say,
membership channel,
this was the
$4.99 a month.
price I paid.
We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga wabba min. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Times like a mountain scape. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain. Baby,
God knows I've got my own.